Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see what is a sandbox, how can we install Windows Sandbox, and how can we try to mimic or try to find the viruses if my main machine gets infected or something like that. So, what exactly is a sandbox? Sandbox is a controlled, isolated environment where software files or code can be executed and analyzed safely. So we will use this definition and we'll use one of the file to check whether it has viruses or not. Okay. So without affecting the production system. Production system means the main machine. Sandboxes serve various purposes in cybersecurity and software development. Okay. For that, guys, first thing I'll have to manage or install Windows Sandbox. So turn on, turn off feature is there. Click on that. So here you will see a Windows Sandbox. Okay, click on that. Just scroll to the bottom. You can see the Windows Sandbox. Click on it and click on OK. Now what you do, you launch this Windows Sandbox. Okay, let me minimize the screen. So now, as you can see on the screen, I have email.docx file. So I'm not opening in my environment, the main environment. I can test this in my sandbox, whether it is virus free or not. Okay, I might have just downloaded this file from the internet. So this is just as an example. I can open that in the sandbox and check whether this email.docx is infected or not. So it will take some amount of time. It's saying applying changes. So this is Windows 11. So Windows 11, we can see what all changes it can apply. So Windows has completed the request and changes. Don't restart. Now the application is there. Click on the application. Windows Sandbox will now launch. The first time if you're launching, it will take a little bit of time. So now I want to make sure this file is open here. So I'll do what? I'll copy it and paste it here. I'll paste the file and I'll double click it. If it opens, it's fine. So I'm just opening the email.docx in Notepad because Windows Sandbox, I haven't installed that file. Now, for now, it is not a virus, right? It is just a docx file. And inside that file, we don't have any issues. Okay. This is how you can use a sandbox. You can expand it. You can add many programs to it, etc. You can work it around. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new viewer, please subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.